guys, today we're opening football cards. This is the start of a new series, Big Friday night. So let's get into our first pack. Let's see who we get. We do get a midfielder in the first one, but I don't know who he is. We do get a goalkeeper. Do get him. Oh, I was sold for a second. Got a goalkeeper. That's a defender. And then goalkeeper is a Belgium. Oh, Messi! On my first YouTube video in a few weeks, we get Messi! And we do get that's a goalkeeper. I just can't believe that. We just get Messi. Hoping we get a Ronaldo, that would just be. Oh, looks like. What's that? Marcus Rashford! Pep! This is just such a good pack. Let me show the results from last pack. An England goalkeeper, a Belgian goalkeeper, same. Okay. Hope this isn't see defender. He is. I don't know that bad. It's just kind of weird. Marcus Klotz. That just is a weird name to me. I thought it was Cristiano Ronaldo. It's like Cristian Ronaldo. But that's the guy I thought it was son. Just always right. So do we get a Marcus Rashford? Another Korean. His name's Karen. I thought it was Korean. So not the card. Italy player. Sorry about that team. I can't even find them. We'll have to go. Search that. Now moving on to the second pack. To get defender as always. Oh, do we get him? We get him. Is that England? Is that England at the back? As soon as I said England, England is coming out the back. This is weird sometimes. Ferdinand, no Bruno, Ferdinand. Who's he? Good Bellingham. Nice. I get 3 more packs. This is going to be a good pack. I see signing this. Oh, we do De Bruyne, whatever his name is. Can't even know his name. Where's the Telemans and De Bruyne? I'm saying De Bruyne. Cristiano Ronaldo! The second coming for Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh, amazing Ronaldo with the 3 packs. That's just amazing work. Let's take good work for the videos in a few weeks. Sorry I wasn't on a few weeks. Get a rising star. Said. Oh, I have him. No, why did I say that? I'm still give my bundle of ones I already have. My bundle of ones I already have. Get 10 packs and I'm deciding to open these 6. So we'll get a signy. See a rising star? That's not a rising star. This could be a rising star teammate. Oh, another Messi! God's sake, that's 3 minutes we won. Right, last pack. Please be something good in here. This is going to be good. I can bet you this. I think the super rare golden Ronaldo in here. Started at the bad end and I'm just going to work maybe up to the good ending. That's all I'm like. Do we get another goalkeeper? That's that team I don't know. Got Silva. Lucas! Matic. Oh, what one's this? Macy! Martinez. And what's the other one? Thomas Hale. Right guys, so that'll be it for today's video. Hope to see you next Friday. So it'll be a video every Friday. It's 6:30. Say, right guys, so I've got to go now. I'll be back on Friday.